BYOD fam, what's poppin'? You know who it is, Mr. BYOD, aka Jimmy V. It's been a while, so first off, Happy New Year. It's 2015. You know what time it is. We're not talking about new year, new me, I'm gonna start to do this. Nah, you can throw that all out the window. It's the same deal, better focus, you feel me? We're setting goals, and we're doing what's gotta be done. Because if we want something done in this life, we gotta do it ourselves. We can't rely on nobody else. On my book grind, I finished up Terrence's The Wealth of My Mother's Wisdom. Shout out to Terrence J. This book is definitely good. I got kind of upset. Not that his book was bad, it's that if I were to write a book, it'd be the same structure that he took. Giving him props. Because I'm just mad that he beat me to it. Reason why I said the same structure, because my beautiful mother, which I love, her name is Jacqueline. Notice how she's got queen at the end of her name because she is a queen. Just her story, her life experiences has shaped me into the man that I am becoming and the person that I am today. And in this year 2015, we actually are planning to go to Haiti so I can do a little documentary on her to share her story, which I know you guys are gonna love because I'm gonna do the damn thing. But that's coming in 2015, all right? So Terrence, great job, man. Keep it up. What I'm reading now, Produced by Faith. This book is going in right now. I definitely recommend Terrence's book. I also recommend this book now. And once I'm all done with this, I'll let you guys know how it goes, all right? My goal for 2015 is to do things that I thought I couldn't do. Because one, we all do doubt ourselves. I think we can't do this because one, we don't know how to do it, or we don't put our mind to it. I always wanted to go snowboarding. I never thought I could see myself going snowboarding, and I actually did. And what an experience. So first of all, shout out to all the snowboarders out there, all the skiers out there, because I give you guys props. I fell on my ass, I don't know how many times. Like, I fell so much, my tailbone, I had a limp walking off the place. Like, it was that serious. And the reason why I bring this up is no matter how many times you fall down, you have to get back up. Because you take a lift to go all the way up this hill, right? As you go down this hill, you're gonna fall. I've seen everybody fall. I fell over 20 times this one time, and it's frustrating, it's cold. I mean, my self-esteem started to hurt. My eyes, oh my gosh, I could fall on my face, straight face plant, thinking to myself, what did I get myself into? But I knew every time I fell, it's a lesson. I'm getting better. But the point I'm trying to tell you is, every time I fell down, I told myself, Jimmy, get up, get down the hill. So I fell down probably 96 times, but I got up 97. That's the attitude I'm trying to bring in 2015, and that's something I'm trying to share with you guys as well. No matter how many times you fall down, get back up. It's your boy, Mr. BYOD. Hey, hit me up on the gram, IG, Twitter, Vine, @BeYourOwnDad, Facebook.com/BeYourOwnDad. Write a blog every Tuesday, BeYourOwnDad.blogspot. My blog, I get to tell y'all what I'm thinking, as well as my plans for that week, and as well as what direction the brand Be Your Own Dad is going. And inspirational stories. I just dropped the January one. Rest in peace to Stuart Scott. That's a phenomenal person. I look up to him because he wasn't afraid to be himself in front of the camera, as I'm trying to do right now. So rest in peace, Stuart Scott. If you're looking to be the inspirational story of the month, which I encourage you to share your story, because there's somebody out there, trust me, somebody out there can learn from your story, whatever struggle that you are going to. All you do is make a 90-second clip, let people know who you are, where you're from. You can put your IG name, and then just say your struggle that you went through in life and how you use that struggle to go further in life, because we all gotta motivate and we can all inspire each other. But as for then, you know, it's your boy Jimmy V, aka Mr. BYOD. Holla at me.